Hello guys! On August 31st, Ecovacs launched the N30 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, featuring brand new upgrades like Zero Tangle to Anti-Tangle technology and True-Edge Adaptive Edge Mopping, as well as the industry-first solid cleaning agent. Priced at 2,999 RMB, it has become the new cost-effective king of robot vacuums. Today we are unboxing the latest Ecovacs N30 Pro. Upon unboxing, we can see it comes with a base plate, a charging cable, a roller brush, a side brush, two mopping pads, a solid cleaning agent, and a quick start guide. Then we have the vacuum robot itself and the base station. Both designed in an all-white color give them a very clean look. Now let's look at some of its highlights. First is the Zero Tangle 2 technology, which is an upgrade from the Zero Tangle 1 found in the Ecovacs T13 Pro. It uses new cyclone-comb anti-tangle technology that gathers hair to the center while vibrating to untangle it, combined with a high suction fan to easily pull hair into the dustbin. It handles both short and long hair without issue. With powerful 10,000 Pascal suction, it can easily pick up snacks, debris, and even metal screws. Next is the True-Edge Adaptive Edge Mopping technology, combined with the continuously suspended mopping pad. It can flexibly adapt and extend, closely hugging walls and corners, as well as table and chair legs to avoid missed spots. Additionally, this model uses the industry-first monthly disposable solid cleaning agent, eliminating the need for manual refills like the Ecovacs T13 Pro. One stick can last 4 months and provides long-lasting antibacterial effects. Besides the main unit, the robot vacuum also comes with a powerful all-in-one base station. It uses 16-degree hot water to clean the mop and 14-degree hot air to dry it. The station features a 4-link intelligent segmented dust collection system, allowing up to 75 days without needing to empty the bin. Additionally, the base station has a one-touch self-cleaning function, greatly reducing the need for frequent maintenance and providing convenience for daily use. That's all for the introduction of this machine. It truly is a high-value robot vacuum. If you seek a high-performance robot vacuum cleaner at a low price, the Ecovacs N30 Pro is an excellent choice. Okay, thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.